Match 2 o'clock to a digital clock. Answer, 2 o'clock. Lucy sees 3 cats and 4 dogs. Write the addition sentence. Answer, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Match 8 o'clock to a digital clock. Answer, 8 o'clock. Alex has 14 blocks. He gets 5 more. How many now? Answer, 19. Lucy sees 5 cats and 5 dogs. Write the addition sentence. Answer, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Match 2 o'clock to a digital clock. Answer, 2 o'clock. Alex has 10 blocks. He gets 2 more. How many now? Answer, 12. Start at 4 and jump 5 steps. Where do you land? Answer, 9. Lucy sees 3 cats and 3 dogs. Write the addition sentence. Answer, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Start at 2 and jump 1 steps. Where do you land? Answer, 3. Lucy sees 5 cats and 1 dogs. Write the addition sentence. Answer, 5 plus 1 equals 6. Alex has 10 blocks. He gets 1 more. How many now? Answer, 11. Match 3 o'clock to a digital clock. Answer, 3 o'clock. Start at 4 and jump 5 steps. Where do you land? Answer, 9. Alex has 14 blocks. He gets 3 more. How many now? Answer, 17. Maya had 12 stickers and gave away 2. How many left? Answer, 10. Lucy sees 5 cats and 4 dogs. Write the addition sentence. Answer, 5 plus 4 equals 9. Start at 3 and jump 2 steps. Where do you land? Answer, 5. Start at 3 and jump 4 steps. Where do you land? Answer, 7. Lucy sees 1 cat and 4 dogs. Write the addition sentence. Answer, 1 plus 4 equals 5.